Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the blinking red light on your Meta Quest 3 in 2026. Now, if your headset won't turn on, if it is keep shutting down or flashes the red light like this repeatedly, this usually means a battery or system issue. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to plug your Meta Quest 3 into the charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Now, a blinking red light often means that the battery is extremely low or the headset can't power on properly. So make sure that you are using the original charger or a strong USB-C power source. Now, if the light keeps blinking even after charging, you can also do a hard reset. So for that, right next to the red light you are going to see the power button. So you need to simply press and hold this power button for 15 seconds until the headset turns off completely. Now after doing so, you just have to wait for a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. So this clears the system crashes that cause the red blinking light. Now, if it still blink the red light, you can also check the charging port. So here you need to make sure that there is no dust or debris inside the that is blocking the cable. You can also try a different charging cable if possible. Most of the blinking red lights issues are solved by charging and just by hard resetting. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.